Hello all, this is Ram Prasad from Ram Rammi Simple Market. Let us see the pre-market report for 24th January 2025. As we all know, the World Economic Forum is happening in Davos. Today, Trump participated virtually and he discussed many points. Let us see one by one. The first point what we discussed is he asked oil exporting countries like Saudi Arabia and these countries to reduce the oil price. In the consequence of that, today this crude oil price slightly reduced. This is the first point. The second point what he discussed is US manufacturing industry. Means the US will become superpower in the manufacturing sector, and he asked the European regulators to reduce tax against the US companies, the UN tech giants like Google, Tesla and these kind of companies. He asked US European regulators to reduce the taxes. This is the second point. The third point what he discussed is the US will become number one and the superpower in the crypto segment as well as AI, artificial intelligence. So the companies, the IT companies which is supporting the artificial intelligence will get a boost from the US investments. Okay, so this is one of the positive aspect. And another point what he discussed is he asked all the nations to invest it in the US. So the countries which is investing it in the US will get the tax benefits. So this is what he said. These are all the major points which he discussed related to the World Economic Forum which is happening in Davos. Okay, so Indian aspect, what happened? Government released one of the important macro. The digital economy will grow to the large extent, like 2030 Indian GDP, means the GDP contribution from the digital economy is about 20%. Means it will super exceed agriculture sector and manufacturing sector. This is also a positive aspect, meaning that our digital economy will grow. Means that all the operations, whatever is happening in the day-to-day life, the many things will be converted into digital platform. So there is a huge scope for the digital economy. So this is what the government is projecting. It's a matter of another 3 to 4 years. They are projecting about 20% growth. So which is the very good sign. This is the macros which is released in dollar market as well as the Indian market. So what is happening, like today also the US market is uptrend, like Dow Jones and Nasdaq is trading a little lesser, but Dow Jones and S&P is trading 0.5 to 1% upper side. And the dollar index is about 107.95. Today it is a little reduced. Yesterday it was trading at 108.5 range. So dollar index is reducing, which is good for India actually. Not only good for India. So across the globe, the dollar index value is going less, means their respective currencies will gain further. So today Indian currency is gained a little higher. So still it is in the higher stage only, like it is 86.4 against one USD dollar. Our Indian currency is 86.4 rupees. Treasury yield is at 4.6%. GIFT Nifty, while recording this video, GIFT Nifty is indicating 40% higher opening, 40 points higher opening for tomorrow. Let us see. And today, based on the market course of actions, so IT sector is clearly in the uptrend, like in about 1.9%, there is a clear increase, and as well as the pharma also. The sectors which dragged the market is the banking sector, the private sector bank. So banking sector is a little nervous. Why? Because it is waiting for ICICI results. Even yesterday HDFC result was far better, but still the market is waiting for ICICI bank result as well. Okay, so that is the reason this bank nifty is not moving anywhere. So yesterday whatever is gained, and today also all those points lost. Okay, so it came to 48,500 range. This is related to the bank nifty things. And FID client side positions, like based on this future index open interest. The one positive aspect is today this FIA reduced around 1.3% in the short side. Means still they are in the 1.2% from the short side. Still they are holding about 81%. But one positive aspect is last 2-3 days they are reducing their short position. But today, on contrast, proprietary trader increased their short position by 4%. So these two guys will make money only when the market goes down. Let us see, how maybe the day course of action they can change their position at any time. But FIA is changing their stance, their short position is reducing last 2-3 days. Accordingly, we can see last 2 days our market didn't fall, but it didn't go up also. Moderately it is going positive. It is closing positive as well. Okay, this is related to FIA and DAA's future index stance. And still today also this FIA is a mega seller. It's about 5,200 crores, 5,400 crores, and DAA bought about 4,600 crores. This is related to FIA DAA data and Nifty Bank Nifty support level. So I'm not going to change this support and resistance level. Still 23,000 is the clear support level. If this is getting breached, it means once this level is crossed, it will go up to 22,800. 99% it has to hold this level 23,000. Let us see, 1 or 2 days confirmation is needed. And clear support is at resistance is at 23,400. It should break this level very clearly, then only we can expect upside move. 100% this is not going to happen before this budget day. Before the budget day, it is not going to happen. So once the budget is finished, maybe the rally may resume. On the bank Nifty side, 48,000 is the clear support and resistance is 49,000. Okay, this is all related to our key resistance and support level. And coming to the event which is being scheduled is 25th we have ICICI Bank result. On top of it, we have HSBC service PMI, manufacturing PMI, composite PMI data is scheduled to release on Friday. So this is also one of the macro which we have to keep eye on it, how our industry and service industry is expanding, like manufacturing industry and service industry is expanding or compressing. Those informations are very clear, because last 2 months those metrics, those indices are clearly showing our manufacturing and services industry is in the expansion mode. Okay, and coming to US, Eurozone, UK, all are S&P flash PMI, flash PMI is being scheduled, services and manufacturing PMI is being scheduled. And for Japan, the most important thing is the inflation data is being scheduled, and the Bank of Japan interest rate decision. So Japan data, we have to keep eye on it. On top of it, the world markets PMI data, services PMI, manufacturing PMI, those data we have to keep eye on it. So all these things will decide further course of action. Our Indian market for upside potential is very limited, because till February 1st the probability of going upper side is very limited. Let us see, if it is going higher, decisively either one of the day it has to close top of 23,400. Thanks for watching. Like this, if you need a sharp information, please subscribe Ram Rammi Simple Market. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.